In this class we will start modeling solid parts using the Extruded Boss base tool, which allows adding material in a sketch, and the Extruded Cut tool, used to remove material from a piece. Let's see how to use them in practice. Open the available file and see that we have sketches, which we will use to create the solid. First we will add solid material by activating the command Extruded Boss base with one click. See that we must select a plan to draw the sketch, or select an existing sketch. We will select the sketch of the rectangle. We can do this by clicking on an edge, or by expanding the model tree and making the selection. Note: automatically the preview is shown, but if it does not, it is because there is a problem with the sketch and you should check it before proceeding. In the Property Manager we have several options. In Direction 1, in the first box we define the final condition of the solid, that is, how far it will be created. The blind option allows us to enter a value. For the mid-plane option, we enter a value that will be applied to the projection of the solid to both sides of the profile. Other options require selecting a reference entity. We leave the blind option active and enter the value of 9 mm. In this box shown, we can select an entity to guide the direction of the extrusion, but it is not necessary in this case. By activating the Draft On/Off option, we can apply an extrusion with an external or internal inclination. By clicking on the Reverse Direction button, we reverse the direction of extrusion. We can also define a second direction for extrusion. We confirm the command and see that the details drawn in the sketch were kept in the solid created, checking the desired shape. Let's apply the command again by selecting the sketch shown. Note that the sketch is on the front face and in this way we have material overlap. To solve this, we choose the option Surface/Face/Plane and click on the face shown. See that now the solid will be created from the selected face, even with the sketch positioned on the other side. With the blind condition, we set the size to 15 mm. Since this is the second solid created, note that we have an additional option, Merge Result, active by default. With this option active, the new created solid will be joined to the existing one, keeping only a solid body. Deactivating we'll have another solid created, forming a multi-body piece. We'll leave it active and confirm command. Let's apply the Extruded Cut command to remove material from this piece. We activate the command, select the sketch shown and have the preview. Note that the command options are similar to Extruded Boss base. We choose the option Surface/Face/Plane and select the face shown. We leave blind in type 5 mm. An important detail is that now the direction has to be inside the other solid, as we want to remove material. We've confirmed command, and we've got our piece ready. These commands we study have the option Thin feature, which allows us to create a shell solid. Let's demonstrate an example, follow-up. In Direction 1 we define the total dimension of the solid, and in the Option Thin feature we define the thickness of the walls. We can edit the features at any time by clicking on them and clicking on Edit Feature, or clicking on them and editing directly in the graphic area. See, just move the blue dots to edit quickly, using Instant 3D. We learn in this class how to add and remove material using extrusion commands. They are basic and widely used for modeling, so train their use.